I searched Richard Branson, values, company, money, and a couple of different things, and then I replaced the two words with Kevin O'Leary. Richard, at Virgin, our people, employees, come first because they are the core of our culture and the force behind our business. Kevin, over to you. Being an employee is a bad outcome. You want to avoid that. The way you treat your employees is the way they will treat your customers. Kevin, I am not trying to make friends. I'm trying to make money. If you want a friend, buy a dog. Never go into business purely to make money. If that's the motive, you're better off doing nothing. We know what Kevin said, don't we? I want to go to bed richer than when I woke up. The pursuit of wealth is a wonderful thing. Richard, I cannot remember a moment in my life when I have not felt the love of my family. Kevin, this is awesome. I am not planning on giving my kids any of my wealth.